Hello, Namaste, good night to all, my dear Indians, brothers and sisters, dear teachers, my dear students, and their parents. Listen carefully. I am going to present PPT of my new research PowerPoint presentation. School महाराष्ट्र विद्यालय बनसरोला तालुका केज डिस्ट्रिक्ट बीड नेम ऑफ द टीचर मिस्टर सतीश महादेव गोरे एजुकेशन BA DEd NEP 2020 फॉर टीचर्स ऑनलाइन कॉम्पिटिशन डाएट अंबाजोगाई डिस्ट्रिक्ट बीड जिल्हा शिक्षण व प्रशिक्षण संस्था अंबाजोगाई जिल्हा बीड स्पर्धेचा विषय क्रमांक 9 सब्जेक्ट नंबर 9 विषय व्यावसायिक शिक्षणाची पुन्हा कल्पना करणे इमॅजिन प्रोफेशनल एज्युकेशन अगेन अंतर्गत विषय प्रथम भारतीय चांद्रयान 3 प्रतिकर्षण बल दश दिशा तंत्रज्ञान 2 मीटर प्रति सेकंद मऊ लँडर संशोधक शास्त्रज्ञ मी स्वतः श्री सतीश गोरे सर संशोधन दिनांक 8/9/2019 इंडियाज फर्स्ट चांद्रयान 3 anti-gravity 10D technology soft lander researched by Mr. सतीश गोरे सर व्यावसायिक लाभ चांद्रयान 3 100% यशस्वी करणे याचा इस्रोला आर्थिक व व्यावसायिक लाभ होईल चंद्रावरून H3 आणणे व त्याचा भारत व इस्रो यांना व्यावसायिक लाभ होईल हा प्रयोग व्यावसायिक शिक्षणाची पुन्हा कल्पना करणे व अस्तित्वात आणणे या सदराखाली मी मांडित आहे लँग्वेज ऑफ धिस सब्जेक्ट इज इंग्लिश मीडियम सो ग्रँट मी परमिशन टू प्रेझेंट माय PPT in English medium. www.ijsr.in International Journal of Science and Research IJSR ISSN 23/19/70/64 ResearchGate Impact Factor 2018 0.28 SJIF 2018 7.426 Volume number 9 Issue number 2 February 2020 www.ijsr.net Licensed under Creative Commons Attribution CC by ISRO ISRO First Indian Spaceship Soft lander for Chandrayaan 3. The law of anti-gravity 10D rocket system researched by Mr. Satish Gore sir. Chandrayaan 3, which is the next step on the moon. Chandrayaan 3, India is the best. ISRO success mission 2020. Here is one Facebook link. You can copy this link. There is much more information about Chandrayaan 3. Copyright for only ISRO. 5 stars. Just imagination. Chandrayaan 3, India's first advanced anti-gravity functional lander system. Ramayana Pushpak Vision Third Eye. First Indian anti-gravity technology spacecraft Pushpak-Yan Chandrayaan 2. One step to 100% success. 100% successful soft lander system. The Pushpak spacecraft on the top does not affect the gravitational force of the planets, any planet. The request by Indian government to find the Pushpak spacecraft, the speed can be reduced as little as and as much as desired. Only India can take the entire space Many congratulations to Prime Minister and Indian scientists for Chandrayaan 2. Point number 1. Indian floral space. Indian floral space Chandrayaan 3. India first advanced anti-gravity functional lander system Ramayana Pushpak Vision third eye. Point number 1. First Indian anti-gravity technology spacecraft Pushpak Yan will have 50 rockets in the interior. This will be used to speed up the speed of the rocket and speed slow of the lander. Point number 2. No gravitational force will be adversely affected on the head of the soft lander. Point number 3. The speed of the spaceship can be 2 meters per second. Point number 4. We can create and reduce anti-gravity force by using 10D rocket system. Point number 5. We can control the speed of spacecraft and change its direction at any time. Point number 6. Use automatic computers and robots, command system, radar system, video telecast system. The first Indian gravity controller, the first law anti-gravity. The first Indian gravity controller, anti-gravity, the first rule of Satish Mahadev Gore, gravitational force is to keep the force of the moving object in the opposite direction in order to control the speed of any moving object. The second law of gravity controller, anti-gravity. Point number 2, rule number 2. The second law of gravity controller, anti-gravity of Satish Mahadev Gore. The force should be increased in the opposite direction given to increase the speed. You can do more with the force of the direction of the original direction. The speed can be controlled. The third law of gravity controller. The third law of gravity controller, anti-gravity. Point number 3, rule number 3. The third law of gravity controller of Satish Mahadev Gore. The gravitational force works as well as anti-gravity force. The opposite gravitational force also works. The law of stability. By conquering gravity by anti-gravity, applied the same forces over an object in 10 directions. The object remains constant in the sky. Basis Newton's theory of gravity, F equal to ma. Ramayana, modern science, gravity and anti-gravity rules. Satyamev Jayate. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Based on Satyartha Ramayana, Sri Valmiki Ramayana, modern science, gravity and anti-gravity rules, we can create and reduce anti-gravity forces in the space with a 10D technology rocket system. Thanks. Om. 9 east speed while west speed 18, 8 east speed while west speed 16, 7 east speed while west speed 14, 6 east speed while west speed 12, 5 east speed while west speed 10, 4 east speed while west speed 8, 3 east speed while west speed 6, 2 east speed while west speed 4, 1 east speed while west speed 2, 0 east speed while west speed 1, 0 east speed while west speed 0. Volume number 9, issue number 2, February 2020, www.ijsr.net, licensed under Creative Commons Attribution CC by International Journal of Science and Research, IJSR ISSN 23/19/70/64. ResearchGate Impact Factor 2018 0.28. SJIF 2018 7.426. Paper ID SR 202201953556. DOI number 10.21275 SR 2022019535561533. ISRO versus NASA. ISRO 5 stars. I like ISRO more than NASA, so I am giving 5 stars for ISRO. ISRO versus NASA. ISRO 5 stars. First Indian anti-gravity Chandrayaan 3 soft lander system. The first Indian gravity controller. The law of anti-gravity researched by Mr. Satish Mahadev Gore. The law of anti-gravity, changing directions and soft lander speed at any time, automatic base. If a soft lander is going to east with a force of 10, it will move east to force it to move west. 20 rockets should be activated. 20 minus 10 equal to 10. Now this same soft lander will have to travel west with a force of 10 instead of east. Rockets west of this soft lander were operated by 10 forces. If they are slowing down the west side. Example, if a soft lander goes east with a force of 10, example, if a soft lander goes east with a force of 10, forcing it to move west, 20 forcing rockets should be activated. 20 minus 10 equal to 10. Now the same soft lander will have to travel west with a force of 10 instead of east. 0 minus 0 equal to 0. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. 2 minus 2 equal to 0. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. 5 minus 5 equal to 0. 6 minus 6 equal to 0. 7 minus 7 equal to 0. 8 minus 8 equal to 0. 9 minus 9 equal to 0. 10 minus 10 equal to 0. 0 minus 0 equal to 0 is the constant of the speed at this point. Neutral. The law of stability. Gravity effects on every object around the planet about limited distance. F equal to mg. Example, 100 kg steel beam sits evenly two supports. Example, 100 kg steel beams sits evenly on two supports. How much forces is each support? 980 N. 100 kg steel beam 490 N. 490 N. The beam exerts a downwards force due to gravity. F equal to mg. F equal to 100 kg into 9.8 meter per second square equal to 980 N. As it sits evenly on the support, each support bears half the weight. 980 divided by 2 equal to 490. If Chandrayaan-3 lander weight will be 1500 kg, F equal to 1500 into 9.8 meter per second square equal to 14,700 N on the earth. 14,700 N. 1,500 kg soft lander Chandrayaan-3. 14,700 N. 1,500 kg soft lander Chandrayaan-3. 7,350 N. 7,350 N on the moon gravity 1.62. If Chandrayaan-3 lander weight will be 1,500 kg, F equal to mg. F equal to 1,500 kg into 1.62 meters per square second. 2,430 N. 1,500 kg soft lander Chandrayaan-3. 1,215 N. 1,250 N. 14,700 N. 2,430 N equal to 12,270 N. 14,700 N for earth divided by 2,430 N moon is equal to 6.0492822716. 14,700 N for earth divided by 2,430 N moon is equal to 6.0492822716. 14,700 N for earth divided by 2430 N Mun is equal to 6.049282716 is same as Earth gravity 9.8 divided by 1.62 Moon gravity is equal to 6.049282716. To prove E equal to mc square, let us create a new formula. Np equal to c square into z. Np equal to c square into z. Earth. Np equal to c square means light, the speed of light square. 3 lakhs into 3 lakhs into 9.8 is equal to 882, 000, 000, 000. Moon Np is equal to 3 lakhs into 3 lakhs into 1.62 is equal to 145, 800, 000. 882, 000, 000, divided by 145, 800, 000 is equal to 6.049382716 is 6 times gravity more than Moon. So E equal to mc square is 100% correct. Volume number 9, issue number 2, February 2020, www.ijsr.net. Licensed under Creative Commons Attribution CC by. Let us fix anti-gravity power pointers of the soft lander on the Earth. Anti-gravity point must create greater than 9.8. On Moon, anti-gravity point must greater than 1.62. Research of Albert Einstein, E equal to mc square, is 100% right. Solved with NPAF equal to c square into z. Early researched by Mr. Satish Gore, Sir, India. To prove E equal to mc square, let us create a new formula. NPAF equal to c square into z. Here z equal to gravity of any mass, planet, star. Replace and compare. Newton power attraction force means NPAF. The Earth NPAF equal to 3 lakhs into 3 lakhs into 9.8 is equal to 882, 000, 000, 000. Moon's NPAF Moon's NPAF is equal to 3 lakhs into 3 lakhs into 1.62 is equal to 145, 8 0 0, 0 0 0. Now 8 8 2, 0 0 0, 0 0 0, 0 0 0 divided by 145, 8 0 0, 0 0 0 is equal to 6.049382716 is 6 times gravity more than Moon. So E equal to mc square is 100% correct. Paper ID number SR 202220195356. DOI number 10.21275/SR 2022201953561534. Let us fix anti-gravity power pointers, the soft lander. Let us fix gravity power pointers of the soft lander on the earth. Anti-gravity pointers must create greater than 9.8. On Moon, anti-gravity point must greater than 1.62. The Sun compares with the Earth about gravity. The Sun's gravity is 274 meters per second square. The Earth's gravity is 9.80. The Sun's Newton power attraction force 274 divided by 9.8. The Earth's Newton power attraction force is equal to 27.959186,735 is greater than the Earth. Let us prove E equal to mc square with a new formula. NPAF is equal to c square into z. Researched by Mr. Satish Gore. Sun's Newton power is equal to c square into z is equal to 3 lakhs into 3 lakhs into 274 is equal to 24,660, 000, 000,000. Earth's Newton power attraction force is equal to c square into z is equal to 3 lakhs into 3 lakhs into 9.80 is equal to 882, 000, 000, 000. Power attraction force. Now Sun's Newton power attraction force divided by Earth's Newton power attraction force power is equal to 24,660, 0, comma 000, comma 000, comma 000 divided by 882, comma 000, comma 000, comma 000 is equal to 27.9591183673 is greater than the earth. Sun's gravity 274 divided by Earth's gravity 9.80. 274 divided by 9.8 is equal to 27.9591183673 is equal to Sun's Newton power attraction force divided by Earth's Newton power attraction force is equal to 24,660, 000, 000, divided by 882, 000, 000, is equal to 27.9591183673 is equal. Surface gravity of planet and sun. Chart. Number 1. Sun's gravity 274. Jupiter 24.92. Neptune 11.15. Saturn 10.44. Earth 9.80. Uranus 8.87. Venus 8.87. Mars 3.71. Mercury 3.7. Moon 1.62. Pluto 0.5. NPAF equal to C square into G. Let us create another formula. Greater planet gravity divided by smaller planet gravity is equal to greater planet NPAF equal to C square into G divided by smaller planet Newton power attraction force is equal to NPAF C square is equal to 3 lakhs into 3 lakhs. Here C square is speed of light per second kilometer. You can compare this with each mass in the universe. Volume number 9, issue number 2, February 2020. www.ijsr.net, licensed under Creative Commons Attribution CC by paper ID SR number 202220195356, DOI number 10.21 275/SR 2022201953561534. International Journal of Science and Research IJSR ISSN 23/19/70/64. ResearchGate Impact Factor 2018 0.28. SJIF 2018 7.426. E equal to mc square, the equation of the Albert Einstein, is the universal truth. So E equal to mc square, the equation of the Albert Einstein, is the universal truth and supported by new researched formula NPAF equal to c square into g, distance equal to speed into time. As you slow down, the speed of the soft lander speed will be 2 meters per second square by Mr. Satish Gore, sir. Reference https://en.wikipedia.org/wiki/theory of relativity. Facebook address https://m.facebook.com/story.php?story-fbid equal to 133671041218663 and ID equal to 100037543038212. Author's profile: Satish Mahadev Gore, at Post Bansarola, Taluka Kesh, District Bid, Pin code 431518, Maharashtra, India. Mobile number 7709673626. Email ID goresatishim@gmail.com, goresatishim@gmail.com. A researcher, Mr. Satish Mahadev Gore. Certificate of Research Paper ID SR 202201953556. ISRO first Indian spaceship soft lander for Chandrayaan 3. Anti-gravity 10D technology researched. Authored by Satish Gore. This is certificate from International Journal of Science and Research. IJSR Publication Company. Certificate of Publication www.ijsr.net. Authored by Satish Gore. Has been published in volume number 9, issue number 2, February 2020 in International Journal of Science and Research IJSR. The mentioned paper is measured up to the required standards. Editor in chief with stamp. Model research by Mr. Gore SM Sir. भारतीय एंटी-ग्रेविटी अंतरायन पुष्पक 10D टेक्नोलॉजी इंडिया फर्स्ट 10D रॉकेट सिस्टम. कल्पना संशोधक श्री सतीश गोरे सर. मुक्काम पोस्ट बंसारोड़ा, तालुका केज, जिला बीड. पिन कोड 431518, महाराष्ट्र भारत. मोबाईल नंबर 7709933626. ईमेल ID goresatihhm@gmail.com. This is my first imagination picture on date 8/9/2019 when Chandrayaan-2 Vikram lander was going to land on the moon. Model researched by Mr. Gore SM Sir. Upgrading model 10D soft lander spaceship. Universal India's first anti-gravity 10D technology spaceship soft lander for Chandrayaan-3, Martian, Earthian, any planet. This model is used 10 directions: east, west, south, west, southeast, southwest, northwest, northeast, up and down. This is my own imagination thinking, and I provide this image to ISRO company and information also time to time. Chandrayaan-3 ISRO India. Mother Earth. Mother Earthian soft lander speed calculator. I am giving you time to observe and watch this picture carefully. Earthian soft lander speed calculator, first Indian 10D anti-gravity technology. Copyright only for ISRO. Observe carefully. There I am giving some mathematical formulas for speed calculator depending upon gravity and gravitational points and anti-gravitational points. This speed calculator gives us speed more or less such as 2 meter per second square when you land on the earth. Chandrayaan-3 soft lander speed calculator. Chandrayaan-3 soft lander speed calculator, first Indian 10D anti-gravity technology researched by Mr. Satish Mahadev Gore. Here is calculator for Chandrayaan-3, how to land on Chandra, how to land on the moon. I am going to use here gravitational force of moon. Gravitational force of moon is 1.62, and this force is divided here on 10 directions. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, ISRO India. ISRO India. Isaac Newton, who researched law of gravity, 3 laws of gravity. So I am thanking him. E equal to mc square, researched by Albert Einstein. In this picture we are looking Albert Einstein. Narendra Modi and K. Sivan. Our India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi and K. Sivan, we are looking in this picture. This picture is the time of that we were landing Chandrayaan 2 on the moon. ISRO logo. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching again. If you like this video, like. If you like this video more and more, you can share this video please. So thanks to listen carefully me. Thank you very much.